Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to sign into Netflix with QR code. So make sure that you download or update your Netflix to the latest version in order for this to work out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and then I'm going to just go ahead to my browser. Basically, if you want to scan QR code on Netflix, open your TV, and then open Netflix and then select sign in. Using a phone or tablet, open the camera app and point it at your TV screen to scan the QR code, and then tap the link that appears. Follow the instructions on your phone or tablet in order to sign into your TV, into your Netflix account. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.